Hello friends, welcome to my iTechHub YouTube channel. Today in this full video we'll show about how to delete Snapchat account. So let's get started. First of all, open Snapchat app on your iPhone. Once you open it, now tap on your Snapchat profile icon at the left top corner. This would open up your profile. Next, tap on settings icon at the right top corner. This would open up your profile settings. In settings, scroll down to below and you may see the option I need help under support. Tap on it for more. Now wait for a while. Here scroll down to below and tap on My Accounts and Security. Now you may see the option Account Information. Tap on it. Next, tap on Delete My Account. Now read this all information about delete your account. After read all the informations, tap on Accounts portal. Now here enter your password. After enter your password, tap Continue and your account will be deleted. Hope it has helped you, so please like this video.